Hi, I'm Tim from Sony, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your Sony TV as a secondary monitor using your laptop and an HDMI cable. This should help whenever you're working from home or if you ever want to use your TV as a secondary display. Now, first things first, double check your video output on your laptop to see if it has HDMI out. And if it doesn't, no problem, but an adapter is going to be needed. Second step is going to be taking your HDMI cable and plugging one end into one of the available ports on your TV and the other end into your laptop. Now you're going to want to switch your input on your TV to whatever HDMI input you just plugged in. There's two ways that you can set up the Sony TV as your secondary display, with the first one being a mirror display. That means that it's going to show you the exact same thing on your laptop, but on the big screen. The second way is to take it and use it as a secondary monitor, and that's going to be called extending your display. Once that has been chosen, now you're going to have two displays, one being on your laptop and the Sony TV being your secondary display. The option is yours depending on what you need and what your use case is. With that being said, hopefully these steps help walk you through that process and make working from home a little bit easier in these tough times. Thanks.